Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how can we change the width of the line or the thickness of the line. So for that we have created here different lines of the same thickness and the same length. And to change the thickness, you just have to select the line and then in this properties group, just click on this by layer option. And here you will have the different thickness related to the lines from 0.05 millimeter till 2.11 millimeter. So to apply it, just click any of these and it will be applied. But sometimes what happens is when you are applying here, then it's not like applied. It's like the same that it's currently. So if you are facing this kinds of problem, then select the lines, click on by layers and now select here line width settings. Now check here if it's checked or not. If it's unchecked, then check it, display line width and then click OK. Again I'll select it and then change from here. So this way guys, you can change the thickness of the line or the width of the line. You can also use the shortcut. The shortcut is LWEIGHT, enter. Again this box appears where you can change the thickness and then again. So that's all for today guys. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.